Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are searching for the ultimate urban commuting solution, then stick around because today we are diving into the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro 2nd Gen. This scooter is packed with impressive features that make it a top contender in the electric scooter market. So first of all, we will talk about the build and design. So the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro 2nd Gen boasts a sleek aerospace grade aluminum frame weighing in at 17 kg. It's sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to carry and transport. The scooter's foldable design means you can fold it down in just a few seconds, making it highly portable. The scooter is equipped with 350-watt motors that peaks at 700 watt, delivering a top speed of 25 km per hour. It inclines of up to 20 degrees, making it ideal for urban environments with varied terrain. The 10-inch tubeless tires are self-sealing, offering enhanced durability and shock absorptions even on rough surface. One of the standout features of its impressive 60-kilometer range on a single charge, thanks to the 474 Wh lithium-ion battery. Charging takes around 8 to 9 hours, but you can get a quick top up to 50% in around 3 hours, which is perfect for those last minute plans. Safety is a priority with the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro. It comes with a dual braking system featuring an EABS regenerative anti-lock brake and a rear dual pad disc brake. This ensures quick, quiet, and effective braking. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with bright headlights, tail lights, and anti-slip treads on the tires, making it safe for the day and night riding. Riding comfort is another area where the scooter excels. The wide deck provides the ample space for a stable ride, and the lack of suspension is offset by the high quality pneumatic tires that smooth out bumps and potholes. The handlebar mounted LED display gives you all the essential information at a glance, and the MI Home application lets you control cruise control, check battery status, and more. While the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro is an excellent choice, it does have some downsides. The display can be hard to see in direct sunlight, and its IP54 rating means it's resistant to dust and light rain but not heavy downpours. Additionally, the lack of suspension might be a dead breaker for some, especially if you are planning to ride on tougher terrains. Overall, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro 2nd Gen is a outstanding option for urban commuters. It offers a balanced mix of performance, safety, and comfort, all wrapped up in a sleek and portable design. So if you are looking for a reliable and effective way to navigate the city, this scooter should be at the top of your list. So that was it for this video. If you want to buy Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro 2nd Gen, I have given the link in the description of Amazon, so you can check out that link as well. Thank you so much for watching.